Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go through an Aretha Franklin song, That's the Way I Feel About You. It's going to be in the key of B flat. It's a fairly simple song. There's 3 distinct sections, so let's just start off with the intro. Going to start off in an E flat major 7. Then you're going to play a B flat major 9. And pretty much any inversion will do, as long as you keep that little B flat on the bass. Then you're going to play an E flat major 7, and you can play it like this. The chords being E flat major 7, D minor 7, C minor 7 to a B flat major 9. So you can give it a little bit of that rhythmic pattern on your right hand. So in the verse that they're singing, she's singing, it just has this progression. Okay? You can give it a bass line. Okay, so for that bass line, you're going to be playing. So it's like you're going around the chord of the E flat. You're playing the E flat, but you're going to that 6. So 1, 3, 6, 5. So you're playing that bass line when you're playing the E flat major 7 chord. Okay? And then you're going to play the same pattern on your B flat chord. 1, 3, 6, 5. So that's being B flat, D, G, F. So again, E flat, G, C, B flat. Okay, and now let's move to the chorus where she's singing, "That's the way I feel about you, babe." You're going to be doing this nice F9 sus4, also known as an F11. It's playing that E flat chord on top of F7. And you hear the pianist play this little then you're going to go to a B flat, to an F over A, to a G minor 7. Then back again. That's the way I feel about you, babe. So again, you can even play an F13. All of these chordal changes are in play. So when I'm playing this E flat, I can go to this F chord, E flat chord, D minor chord, C minor chord. All of that while holding F7 in my left hand. You can play it the way you want, but I heard this movement distinctly. And then the run. This is the chorus. And then back to the F. to the chords of the verse. You can change inversions. Okay, then there's going to be a little bridge. Very popular movement. You're going to play the 6th chord of B flat. 6th chord is a G minor, and you're going to play this descending movement. You're going to play the G and descend it down. It's a nice F sharp augmented. Descend again. Now you got a B flat over F. Then you go back to the 4 chord, E flat, to a C minor 7. And then you do it again. Then when you're going to get out of it, you're going to go to the C minor 7, to the F9 sus4, and believe it or not, that's pretty much the whole song. You're just going to be repeating those 3 distinct sections, which are the verse, what we're going through here, the chorus, that's the way I feel about you, babe. That's the way I feel about you, babe. Sorry, I'm sick, so I don't have a voice today. Okay, and then the bridge. And that's the way I feel about you, babe, by Aretha Franklin. Now I'm going to play along with the track so you can see it all in context. All right, take care, guys. Till next time.
To remember how blessed we were now. And that girl over there telling me what she sees. You don't have to worry, baby, you know she can't get next to me. Told me to think it over, and I thought it over. Yes, I did. That's the way I feel about you, baby. 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 I know you've been hurt, so have many others too. Trust in me, I'll trust in you. Hey,